What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. So as you just saw, we got a mold at the shop today. We got a little emergency repair job. Now that we got the two halves of the mold unloaded, we got to take it apart and diagnose what the issue is and why it's flashing. I need to get to these right here. So I need to take off the housing right here and then take these three plates out, and the pins are held onto this one. Me and my dad, we took the housing off, just taking bolts out, pry it apart. Next, we gotta tackle the ejector bar and the pin plate, because that's what our main goal is today. So we know what we need to order to move forward tomorrow.
I'll clean them while we got the mold.
We need to find the three ejector pins that are causing the flash, and then order three new ones that are 5 thousandths bigger in diameter, and then we need to ream the holes 5 thousandths bigger than that so that it causes a tight squeeze so no plastic can seep through. Well, guys, it's the next day. It's about 6 in the morning. Now me and my dad just got the A half loaded up in the truck, and now we're gonna both be bringing it over to Whately so it can get micro welded while we wait for the parts to get here. Well, me and Pops just got back. We ate a little bit of breakfast. Now we're just waiting on our pins and our reamer before we can get started on the B half. The pins just came in, so while we wait for the reamer to still come, we're gonna trim up the pins so that they're ready to go. Well, we got our first pin trimmed in, and the reamer just showed up. So I found the outer diameter of the heads of the pins, and it turns out I need to trim about 50 thousandths off each head. While I finish cleaning the pins, Dad's over here grinding up some spacers. Well, now it's time to just reassemble the B half, and then this half will be all set. The B half is getting shipped out, the A half is already there, so that'll do it. Thanks for watching, guys.
Well, it all gets on just like we used to do.